Happy Ugadi to all and happy Sri Ramanavami. I know today is Friday, it's a hectic day after the work. So just but because we can do this one at temple without impacting anything else, so this Friday evening is the best thing we can do. So thank you very much everybody for coming this evening, and hopefully we will have a good time here today. We started Prajna 4 years back. We started Prajna at our house with almost 10 kids. All out of those 10 kids, we have 8 kids is still continuing, and they're still module 4, and they're learning Bhagavad Gita. That's wonderful. So total we have between the Novi Center and the Troy Center, we have almost 120 kids. 120 to 130 kids we have enrolled this year. Really we could not have been achieved this thing without the help of the SV Temple. The SV Temple, like 3 years back we started Balalayam. Ravi Garu, Sarada Garu and Sai Kumar and all the board of trustees, basically they allowed us to have our classes at the temple. I think we grew this big. So thank you to the SV Temple board of trustees and the temple committee. Again, this is 4th year. Hopefully, next year will be, we will grow a little bit bigger. And I know there are a lot of people still coming and asking, can I, join our kids? Can I join our kids in this Prajna? Because they see yoga, they see bhajans, they see meditation, they see slokas, a lot of things. And, so we could not actually do this without the help of Swamiji. His Holiness Chirajir Swamiji, basically came up with a curriculum for all the 10 modules. So this is wonderful. So all the kids, we are basically able to teach our Vedic culture and our Indian traditions, so they won't forget. They can pass it on to the future next generation. So again, we have other activities other than Prajna. We have BT Seva. We go and volunteer and stuff like that. And then, in India also, Vikas Tarangani does a lot of other programs. There are colleges for the blind kids. There are colleges for the tribal schools we have. We have hospitals. We go and help when the floods come or any natural calamities happen. So there are a lot of activities. Here also within the United States, we go to Gleaners, we go to Forgotten Harvest, other food banks where we go and help them out. So please, if anybody is interested, please come and talk to us. So when we have our next activities, we can let you know, so you can come and you can participate in those activities. So I just don't want to take any more time. So I think we should start with our next program. So just stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks.